Howdy. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys what I've been working on the range a little bit. So I've been playing with my Callaway XR16. It's a 10.5 degree loft. See if I can get that in the camera. 10.5 degree loft. It has a regular flex shaft in it, standard length. I've messed around with the ferrule a lot, and I've adjusted it over and over and over again, from -1 to draw to slice, like anything I could find, figure out. Spent a lot of time, ended up coming right back to just the standard, and I hit it best that way. So just gonna swing a couple and let's see how they go. Not bad. Hit that one a little low. Kind of rush that one. I'll take my time a little bit. There we go. That one went long. Not sure if you can pick that ball flight up, but if you can see in the back there, it actually stabs straight into the mound of the bushes. Not certain 100% how far that is, but struck it well, went dead straight. I'm going to make another video here in just a minute. The difference between that's kind of my regular driver swing and my power driver swing. So stay tuned.